y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous trading cup of Ebola. Now, before we continue, let me go. Ew, that's fucking disgusting. Let me go. Can I go and read what I have on my other computer, please, tripod? Ebola virus disease, or EVD, is a severe, often fatal, 25 to 90% mortality. Oh my goodness. Zoonotic virus causing hemorrhagic fever, primarily in sub-Saharan Africa. Symptoms include sudden fever, muscle pain, vomiting, diarrhea, and sometimes external bleeding. It spreads via direct contact with infected bodily fluids, treated with supportive care and vaccines, and prevented through infection control. Now, it usually appears 2 to 21 days after exposure, starting with what I just said. Transmission can be from human to human, contaminated objects, animals, and also it says transmission window only while the infected person is symptomatic or through deceased victims. Ooh. Now, for treatment, in 2019, the FDA approved the Evrabo vaccine to prevent Ebola. There is no cure, but care has significantly improved. They also have treatments like monoclonal antibodies such as Imazeb and Ibanga, which can treat the disease, especially when it's given early. Now, and prevention says avoid contact, safety measures, safe burial, and avoid wildlife, like avoiding handling raw wild meat or bush meat. Now, that's enough about Ebola. Let's get to the disgusting shit. Thick, wrong, sinking in my stomach like curdled blood. Heat spreads slow at first, then violently, like my insides are unraveling. My breath shudders, a wetness rising in my throat. Something inside's breaking. What do you mean by that? Okay. I'm not gonna lie, that's probably one of the most normal things I've seen. It's just called cysts and bumps. Which honestly, that makes a lot of sense. That does not look good. Ooh, okay, that is a cup of Ebola. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our first video. Bye-bye, Ebola.